state of local emergency for the city of Abbotsford following the extreme rainfall that has resulted in several localized emergencies within our city.
It's probably about 104 homes are on alert, roughly.
This morning it was just a handful, and then now it has jumped to 629 residences. That's in the Sumas Prairie area, and then another 7 also under evacuation order, and that's in the straight, just off of Straighton Road. Also, parts of Highway 1, that's going to be between Watkin Road and Sumas Way, that is flooded, and the public is being asked to stay away from that area. This as residences brace for the winds now.
Yes, we can.
Abbotsford has declared a local state of emergency. More than 100 homes are under evacuation alert and more than 600 under an evacuation order, mostly in the Sumas Prairie area. And the worst of it may not be over.
The wind event is a concern to me. The ground is saturated. We have a lot of big trees here. And so I am concerned about that as well.
Good evening and thanks for joining us. The flooding situation in the Fraser Valley has taken a troubling turn tonight, with water from the Nooksack River in Washington state now pouring across the border. Our Kamil Kermali is near the Canada-U.S. border tonight. Kamil, what's the latest?
Neither, just some developing news happening in the past hour. Crews are diverting vehicles off of Highway 1 between Abbotsford and Chilliwack. So that stretch of Highway 1 now closed, that 30-kilometer stretch, a long stretch between the two municipalities, between McCallum Road exit here in Abbotsford, all the way up to Yale Road exit in Chilliwack. Now, there's no estimated time of reopening Highway 1, and this is all due to that heavy flooding caused by heavy rains and snowfall that we've been seeing for much of the day today. You can take inside roads to get from one point to the other, but prepare for backlog and long waits, as even some of those roads going east to west parallel to Highway 1 are seeing lots of pooling as the situation continues to be precarious and looking more grim each hour. This is a race between man and Mother Nature. Who can move faster? The residents rushing to build a sandbag barrier, or the fast-swelling flood waters caused by rainwater and snow melt? The Nooksack River in Washington state has now topped its banks, the flow heading right towards Abbotsford.
Once that area, which is a significant area, is filled, it's going to go over Main Street, and then it's headed here. There's nothing to stop it after that.
But that isn't stopping these residents from fighting back. Many of them taking sandbags back to Huntington Village, just near the U.S. border, where floodwaters have already begun creeping through. An evacuation order was sent out overnight.